Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to change your username on Twitter using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for twitter.com. So now just go ahead and log in your account. Okay. So once you've done that, you want to click on more options here at the left side of your screen and click on Settings and Support and click on Settings and Privacy. So now under your account section, you want to click on Account Information. And before you can have the access on your account information, you need to type your password. Okay? So once you type your password, you want to click on Username. And now you can just go ahead and change your username. And here you can also have the suggestions of Twitter. So now that is how you change your username on Twitter using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.